Did you know that some views are so spectacular they can take your breath away? These are the kinds of places that make you stop in your tracks, where the sheer beauty of the landscape overwhelms your senses and leaves you in awe. They can make you feel like you're stepping into a postcard, a scene so perfect it almost seems unreal. Imagine standing at a viewpoint, the vast expanse of nature stretching out before you, and feeling a deep connection to the world around you. Well, Lake Garda, nestled in northern Italy, offers just that kind of magic. This stunning lake, the largest in Italy, is a treasure trove of natural beauty and cultural richness, waiting to be explored. Imagine crystal-clear turquoise waters reflecting a backdrop of majestic mountains. The water is so clear that you can see the fish swimming below, and the mountains stand tall and proud, their peaks often dusted with snow. Picture charming villages with colorful houses, their terracotta roofs baking under the Italian sun. These villages are full of history and charm, with narrow streets, cozy cafes, and friendly locales who are always ready to share a story or two. Add to that lush vineyards and ancient olive groves where the air is filled with the scent of ripe grapes and olives. These vineyards produce some of the finest wines in Italy, and the olive groves have been there for centuries, a testament to the region's rich agricultural heritage. And you're starting to get a glimpse of the beauty that awaits you at Lake Garda. It's a place where nature and culture come together in perfect harmony, offering a feast for the eyes and a balm for the soul. Whether you're looking for adventure or relaxation, Lake Garda has something for everyone. Lake Garda is Italy's largest lake, and it's easy to see why it's often called the country's most beautiful. The lake stretches over 370 square kilometers, its shores dotted with charming towns and villages. Each town has its own distinct character, from the bustling market squares of Desenzano del Garda to the tranquil promenades of Limone sul Garda. But the true allure of Lake Garda lies in its captivating landscapes, a harmonious blend of dramatic mountains, sparkling water, and lush greenery. With so much beauty on offer, finding the best viewpoints around Lake Garda can feel like a treasure hunt. Do you chase the thrill of a mountaintop panorama, or prefer the charm of a lakeside promenade? Maybe a hidden cove with a secret view is more your style. The good news is, Lake Garda has something for everyone. Whether you're an avid hiker, a casual stroller, or a dedicated sunbather, there's a viewpoint waiting to steal your heart. Let's begin our journey in the north, where the lake narrows and the mountains seem to reach for the sky. This part of Lake Garda is known for its dramatic landscapes, where the rugged peaks create a stunning contrast with the serene waters below. The air is crisp and fresh, making it a perfect destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Riva del Garda, with its Venetian clock tower and lively harbor, is a sight to behold. The town is steeped in history, with charming cobblestone streets and vibrant piazzas that invite you to explore. The harbor is bustling with activity, from colorful fishing boats to elegant yachts, all set against the backdrop of the majestic mountains. It's a place where the past and present blend seamlessly, offering a unique glimpse into the region's rich cultural heritage. For a stunning panorama, climb the winding path to the Bastione, a 16th-century fortress offering breathtaking views of the town and the lake. The hike up is an adventure in itself, with each turn revealing more of the landscape's beauty. Once at the top, you'll be rewarded with a sweeping vista that captures the essence of Lake Garda. The fortress stands as a testament to the area's strategic importance and offers a peaceful retreat from the bustling town below. Just a short drive away lies Torbole, a windsurfer's paradise. This charming town is renowned for its consistent winds, making it a top destination for water sports enthusiasts. The vibrant community here is welcoming and passionate about their love for the lake. Whether you're an experienced windsurfer or a curious beginner, Torbole offers the perfect conditions to enjoy the thrill of gliding across the water. Head to the shoreline for incredible views of the windsurfers dancing on the water with the majestic mountains as their backdrop. The sight is mesmerizing, as the colorful sails catch the wind and create a dynamic display of skill and grace. The shoreline is also a great place to relax and take in the natural beauty of the area, with plenty of spots to sit and watch the action unfold. Whether you're participating or simply observing, the energy and excitement of Torbole are truly infectious. Next, we're heading to Sirmione's enchanting peninsula. Sirmione is a picturesque peninsula that juts out into the southern part of the lake. Known for its thermal baths and luxurious resorts, Sirmione is also home to the Rocca Scaligera, a magnificent 13th century castle. Climb the castle's tower for breathtaking views of Sirmione's charming streets, the lake's azure waters, and the distant peaks of Monte Baldo. As you soak in the beauty, it's easy to imagine yourself transported back to a time of knights and chivalry. Malsacene's Scaliger Castle. No trip to Lake Garda would be complete without a visit to Malsacene, a charming village guarded by the imposing Scaliger Castle. This medieval fortress, perched on a rocky outcrop, offers unparalleled views of the lake and the surrounding mountains. Take the cable car up to Monte Baldo and enjoy the breathtaking panorama as you ascend. From the top, you'll be rewarded with views that stretch as far as the eye can see. A balcony over Garda, the thrill of Monte Baldo. Speaking of Monte Baldo, this mountain range, often called the Garden of Europe, offers some of the most spectacular views of Lake Garda. Take a scenic cable car ride from Malsacene to the summit, where you can enjoy panoramic vistas of the entire lake. On a clear day, you can even see as far as Venice. A secret sanctuary, a hidden cove and lasting memories. Nestled away from the well-trodden paths and bustling tourist spots, Baia del Sereni is a gem waiting to be discovered. While these iconic spots offer undeniable beauty, they often come with crowds and noise. Baia del Sereni, near the town of Garda, feels like a secret, known only to a few. Accessible only by a narrow winding path that meanders through a dense forest, this secluded haven feels like a world away from the bustling tourist crowds. The journey to reach it is an adventure in itself, adding to the sense of discovery. Baia del Sereni was stumbled upon by chance during a solo trip to Lake Garda many years ago, a serendipitous find that has since become a personal sanctuary for many. The view from Baia del Sereni is simple yet breathtaking, a panorama that never fails to soothe the soul. The tranquil lake, framed by cypress trees, creates a picture-perfect scene that feels almost otherworldly. With the soft sound of water lapping against the shore, it's a symphony of nature that calms the mind. It's a place where one can escape the noise of the world, a sanctuary where meditation and reflection come naturally. Here, surrounded by nature's serenity, a sense of peace and clarity is found that is hard to come by in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. On warmer days, a dip in the clear, refreshing waters offers the gentle embrace of the lake. Leaving this hidden cove is always bittersweet, but its tranquility is carried along, a reminder of the peace that awaits whenever one returns. Under the night sky, with stars reflecting on the lake, Baia del Sereni remains a sanctuary, a place of lasting memories and endless peace. Lake Garda, with its breathtaking views and charming towns, is a destination that will capture your heart and stay with you long after you've left. But this is just a glimpse of the wonders that await you in this Italian paradise. Subscribe to Globe Gallopers for more travel inspiration, insider tips, and captivating content from around the world. Let's explore the world together.